watched the arrival and formal transfer of 2 Japanese TC-90 training aircraft to the Philippine Navy, as it includes a water cannon salute ritual. Philippine Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana headed the turnover ceremony together with Japanese State Minister for Defense Kenji Wakamiya at the Naval Air Group headquarters in Sangley, Cavite on Monday, March 27. Navy spokesperson Captain Lued Lincuna said that the TC-90s will augment the existing Norman-Britten BN-2 Islander fleet, which the Philippine Navy uses in patrol, surveillance and humanitarian assistance and disaster relief (HADR) and rapid assessment mission. The 5 Beechcraft TC-90 King Air advanced trainer aircraft that the Japan Ministry of Defense (JMOD) agreed to lease to the Philippine military was an arrangement with the previous Aquino administration. The Philippines will pay Japan an annual fee of $7,000 for each of the first 4 aircraft and only $200 for the 5th, for a total of $28,200 as stipulated in the lease agreement.